Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta ma'am. As you know, today is the fourth day of our storytelling challenge, and I am presenting here with new stories as per my knowledge. So, I hope that you are also enjoying and loving my stories. So, today I am going to tell you one story about the value of time. Everybody knows that time is money, time is valuable. If time goes once, it never comes again. So we should always give value to the time. We should always respect the time. So there was one boy named Rahul who was very studious and laborious in his class. He was one of the most intelligent boys in the class. But what happened? There was one problem with him. He used to so addicted towards mobile and social media, and he used to watch lots of mobile from hours to hours. So sometimes it was really very ridiculous for him, and his parents always kept on thinking that what will be the future of this boy, because he is not paying attention towards his studies. So somewhere parents were worried, and even teachers were also worried about him, because he had been a studious student of their school. That's why. But as a result, what happened when the result came, when the final result just came, so he saw the result, so it was really very disheartening. And that time Rahul came to know that why this happened with him, because now he understood that he was not paying attention toward his studies. While he was watching mobile hours to hours, he was scrolling reels hours to hours, and in spite of that he was not paying attention towards studies. He used to play video games for a long time, and that activities affected their studies as well. And as a result, he got poor marks in his finals. So even the teachers were also disappointed with his result, because when students are very studious and extraordinary, so everyone expect good results from them. But what happened if you are not paying attention? So somewhere you are losing your grace, your respect also in others' insight. Okay, so that was the thing. But let bygone be bygone. He thought that now he is going to have hard work in future. Okay, so when he was much depressed, he went to his grandfather and said that I have got a very bad result, very annoyed. I am very annoyed with myself. What to do? May I able to give this exam again? So his grandfather just told him that the time once gone never comes again. So you should be just fasten your belt just now and be ready for future. Okay, just be an early bird, focus on your studies, and get and whatever you want to do, just study with a planned method. That time you will come to know that how studious you are, and how you are gaining your result day by day. Because he was a studious and intellectual boy. Hands, his teacher were also dedicated to make him change. So they just supported him and gave their valuable time to get rid of their bad habits like watching TV, scrolling mobile, and playing video games. So, in this way, with their efforts and with his own efforts, at last he got a tremendous result, and he just passed the exam with flying colors, and it was the result of his consistency that he got good marks and good respect as well, that he had just lost because of their bad habit, not paying value to the to the time. But at last, I would say that as Rahul didn't understand the value of time and he has to suffer a lot, in the same way as we are learning English here, we should also think that are we valuing our time? Are we learning everything with time? Or we are just passing time? Are we giving quality time to our study, or we are just adding hours to hours in our studies? Because learning anything for 2 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, it's not enough. The thing that is required, it is your quality time. You need to give your quality time to your study. Don't waste your time. Give your quality time to your efforts, and as a result you will get good fluency. Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Make as many mistakes as you can, but you need to be progressive towards your dreams, towards your learning, towards the process of this learning English. Okay, then, have a nice day. Bye bye.